defeat some shield guys. Now, I know something about this in this level a lot. There's lots of money. And that got me thinking, why do they have like a Skylander bank? Like, I believe in, like, see like money right there. No, I know it's a villain that's able to like if you have physical, like I've been on W's drum channel often, and he have physical as his villain, and he's able to pass through all the gates. But it's like I was saying, like in Pokemon Mystery Dungeon, if you guys play that game, there was like a bank. There was like a bank in there where you're able to store your money, and they really should have something like that for Skylander.
That was cold-blooded, man.
Yeah, cause like all this money, the Skylander I'm using really don't need these money. My new Skylander does, and we can get the Soul Gem. Now I want to try something. I want to see if I'm feeling of that. I should just kept Sheep Creek because like I know Chobo will be able to freeze these enemies, and they're not fully freezing. Okay, if all of this was in here. If the key's in there, I'm gonna be so mad. Because, like, I don't have the key.
Hey, that door is double locked. Good thing there are double the keys, too.
What the heck? Oh, I want to see if that can hurt me. Oh, dang, that guy just hurt me. Okay, that is so new. Like the old game, that thing would never be able to hurt me. I can just go by that thing. You guys know how new that is. I'm able to actually hurt myself. That's so new to me. Back in the old game, that thing would never be able to touch me. I would just go right through them.
Skylanders in the air,
But I think all the villains are not happy that I'm able to take damage from that stuff thing. It's kind of fair, but that's what I like best about it. This is perfect now. gotta be some enemies over here. Okay, I'm gonna press X. That's right there is a basic attack. That right there is a basic attack. Now this is the B attack. Oh, I see. You press B one time and then press X. You get swords. Then if you press B a second time, you able to shoot chunks of a gear. Okay, I see. And you press B a third time, it just return back to normal. And I know where I did with most of you can't see that soul gem. And you guys probably can't see that soul gem, but that's flip back. I'll bet money on that. I like this better. I like a basic attack, but I love this one. I like the second B attack. I love GearShift. I'm so happy. I should have pre-ordered the game. So there's 3 stages of a gear. The first stage is main attack. And when you press X, when you don't press B at all, and then you just press X, that is a main stage. When you press B again, you get these titanium swords. And when you press B a second time, you have to shoot chunks of the gears. I'm pretty quick. I should add too. Like you see, I told you that it was flipped back. See, I knew that was him. I probably should have somebody bet money on that. I'm going to get him one day. I'm definitely going to get him one day. I'm still kind of surprised about this because they said that only one between high five, back spin, or flip back was going to be chose. Like I was flip back or high five was going to win, but they ended up doing all 3. So I'm still kind of confused about that. But I guess they were low on Skylanders and they had no choice but to have all 3 of them.
Skylanders and the air element are stronger in this zone.
Okay, I'm not going to switch to right lightning. I want to try this out. Oh, you saw how fast she defeated those guys? Correct, next video we'll be going over there. So bye.